Kwesi Walanyo Wallace akudi catch bakope the only nomenclature of the professor's degree in sports the regional Wallace the nation's presenter and Messin Kunya Elkono Quantum Cordin Samado and Sakana no Pensubio our Ghana good him 8 Jao Shandoswam say you makun emiensa on a boom schedule men no pay yaden common eba 1xbet. I've always told you that betting is better than cycle but 1xbet there and the betting about money of financial freedom brunye and one boys did a new year so yet him and I Ghana Martin so 1xbet na mafo di catch your ma offer for na mukrumu and on plan for na say 1xbet and better but the money mu feeling otwa and found him na bet with money that you can afford to lose sika ira nya no eno and the twa bet ope bet dia we nyina chi no 1xbet na medi one dance dia ma je fast message do teta hwi infections do gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so deep na chiwa do ibu aprapro harwa no mebo ma otimi di nchineche bomoden ada okọ herbal shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne ma so pe je fast message no ne do ba kwa ebetimi age nkwa sedimo gel roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel for a pampas be pim na se oti pain ya odie bia na do ba kwa no so beti abo no sedimo gel roll on okwa shama me marketer soja fo no ho de batanya na ho sa beti aka bia to na so odo ani kirem so tema me market nso a ebi o ha on sa beti aka na beti to beti from se utu akoto ana se woto de aye ho no 0208219129 na one sedimo gel roll on from penny phone so yentwetwe nkomo yenhwe mo a ema ne ema 822 infamo MP na odene komo tudwa efa sansa hwe a wo mo koye e wo facilities a Ghana yesi e the African Games no.
I'll add my voice to the call. Say the resources must be released. Now we have given my time say by March next year. We hope said there will never be another postponement bill. So that in this case, Sika was say you release it. According to the contractors, some various percentage completion and all that. We hope that all that is needed will be given so that they can be able to complete on time.
Nti Honorable Kwabena Uyome and attending Kawa Mrashebejani, Northern Nkomo 18 Satu Jamra, Parliamentary Select Committee on Sports, on my vested the various sites I beat Samboama, African Games at Ghana Pesi Hustuno, Nyama 18 years, which I say a Kansimu. But also Kumu Biondia, chairman of the local organizing committee, Dr. Kwekufu Suasari, and so the Nkomo Kakraba, Nasmoke Nane say, a bed Deneka Kradiama contractors and Seko Basse, Omen Yanyama, Honorable Jumana, no matter maybe in them. And my event and so at me and paying for the question on the 8th of March 2024.
Said March. And since I'm ready, we are going all out. Contractors and say more much as a brainy hop and she also be a year no. And she said, dear, I feel never said about the room. Canon the internet about the room be brainy, say. Now, I know Cano Association of National Olympic Committees of Africa. And Association of African Sports Confederation, one year also. It's very sure about time I be share game na say one woman anymore enye ye. They say I ya back together yami Adom man penya da Roma. It me solve our problem. Say there the room but tipa. Bia say ye born say here.
The local organizing committee chairman Dr. Kwekufu Suasari and attending council so Eden and Komo Aja dia fasten African Games so far facilities and painful sino AC echo but the unfair in chim new edubiase na uko new edubiase dia ultim sampa as a farming community na nkafua na nkombe kuku ne mmeno edwiri niam nyina oso anka ehwe nim senka abanda da etwam no betime CS stadium media new edubiase enya dia sanhyeche ne time ba so ene abanfo fro san ba ya na ohwese na hye ne siko a omo be hye boso betia ya omo san atimi etutu fam fiti ho yesen kom be si bion de mom be si sabri as a new edubiase sports stadium no eya kansisimu na new edubiase sports na bakọ sempa ne so hema okrumo no ana de to Ghana man penda danim His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nim senko hwe na omo ma san hye so nkuni ntwenku be si sabri de enya de ho komo 18 akoyi nti mrahye bedwani a ono so ewo new edubiase Honorable Adam Salam de ne komo 18 satudwa de fasena niama esieko ewo new edubiase sports stadium abanya hye wo bose wo mo besi dada na besi sabri yensiye
the entire many abre hone say who's aban project no constituencies in the there are 275 constituencies obia empuntu di akọ na yi it is a ye bia mawa wontimi san kopre foforo say ndc yabana say stadium yenwi na say ye sa to aso a ebe ye den say obesa kopre say ye mesi school bi ana say ye meye bibi foforo nsan ma nti de enu edubia se fo pene say na nka MPP fo yi ebeye minister ne sports ministry ni aban ye gina ebehwe ne yaka bom na nka ye stadium no na nka afiri ho se de ebeye a aban foforo ba ye betima asa akopre bibi foforo de aye den e de aban no adubi ase nti I think say eno ye one of the major concerns no adubi ase or nana no adubi ase hene ne ohema nyina obia em said ye omu nyina no omu ensema omu kane sentiments omu express no say anya na che say no adubi ase de for 8 years ye de be ko 12 years mu ye de stadium ho asema South Asia from 2016 seven fan say aban ya anya na say ye chassis 2025 mu a na che say sa your friend is saying cycle no so 4 year cycle no so stadium ho asema na ye ba be den ye ba be kan ti say aban foforo ba na so decide so be ye kra na ahwa na 4 years ni mu nyina na stadium no e ho asem ne ye ba be kan na eno ana ye ba be ye de amaye enti e ade a no we be asefo pese ye ade no they want it done now. So what you say? Okay. They want it done now. I don't think that utie baby say oh I know you MPP fanatics no. Oh yeah was you I didn't know you cry na say MP ni team no. Ono ane dia ye ya ebeboa team no. Enti ono na ebeboa no. So what you say? I don't know dia me person me describe us comment no. Ebi so say oh see ye ya MP no be take credit for that. So what you say? And I always tell them say dream ra was say ye politics ye be ye asema amekwa akoka kire me constituency mo ma sa to aba ama me amakọ parliament ama NDC edi nkunim wo ni odi ase it has nothing to do with the stadium. Okay. Stadium no ban taxpayer sika ye de ahye project mu
nti Honorable Abdul Salam Adams ana otene council de nkomo age for new odi ase sports stadium ti we bigina so na advocacy e de akira ban se fisa abre kode ni odi ase mabunu ehwe nim se kwa bia so mu system no betia samboa ema ehon so niema etia todin e de amom na ni odi biase fo so sra eye na ye fa ni kire mu ewo El Clasico we air kensi kesi itfensa baso Spanish La Liga nim na nura La Liga fon pen fo itmeton sa de frɛ eye nkofo a omo ehwe La Liga so Africa omo edi Nigeria fo pen fo tututu ne twitwitwa omo ewo La Liga mu no itfensa be pi mo Ghana ha enya kwanya ene pen fo be twitwe nkomo uraba quality ene Desmond Chigi wono country manager Edma La Liga Nigeria and Ghana na ne nkoma omo dia tudwa ede ama La Liga El Clasico nyame adoma kwese da na sakin silver so omchese Polo Court ewo Kuduka International Airport amutu mu baby no eho ana mbodwa data na yaton sade afega na fona nyahwe El Clasico no.
So the idea is La Liga doesn't want to be doing the job for them, so we want them also, when we are doing the job, they are also being part of the work that we are doing. So, and part of that is, our idea now is we want to continue to grow the number of African players in La Liga, because we believe that will also help us tell a better story for us and for the players and for the fans. So now, and the clubs are seeing what we are doing. They've been seeing little snippets of what we've been doing in all Ghana and Nigeria, and they are becoming more proactive in getting more involved, getting more engaged. So I'm thinking like, so this is the area that we are going at now. We're looking at grassroots football to develop it a little bit more. We are also looking at women's football as well, which is very important to us as well, to continue to promote women's football, to let people understand that, yeah, women can actually play football at the same time, still be women, and still live their lives the way they want to live their lives and support their families and all that. Because the way we see it is in Spain, what our president did back then was he gave it to the media for free, and then after a while, now the media, they are paying to have that service.
And see, there's Desmond Chigi. Nigeria Ghana hanso ousan country manager Edma La Liga and outene council de komo etudwa no almost ahwe omo call Ghana Football Association President Kurt Edwin Simon Okrakuo no ne ono so edije omunye.
So if it is that we have a relationship with La Liga, it could only have positive benefits for sure to the football ecosystem here. To be more specific, I'm very much interested in the development of women's football, just like you have said. Grassroots football for sure is key, and if it is that our investment in the game would see some of our players leveraging their talents in the bigger league, so be it, and it comes back to help, of course, the football association. So we are very much interested in this partnership. We believe that it's a win-win. For sure. And the Football Association would be looking forward to working closely with you. I know that we've made failed attempts in the time past to engage properly, but I think this is the time for us.
In ticket Adom Simon Kraku Ghana Football Association boss na ten council no so eden enkomo eja La Liga for no na enra La Liga for nipa wo hwe nim se kwa bia so betia boma sa event yi etimi abaso no eye Irvana Air Sports Agency ora de Dine Frank Kwabena Owusu wona na edi omanim ebepie mo Ghana ha na ode enkomo ja in terms of ekwan amufa so a de sa organization pempem so ha
Yashisha Nima Vibration on Mokai, 15 na kusi Sunday, which is the big night, Sunday night, you know. Yabe few press engagements, yabe forum or UPS auditorium. Na ya cocktail with industry stakeholders. Into no Monshenim, Adom TV, Adom FM, multimedia, yade Yashisha na ebetu na fe ya invite mu nyina. Ye fact sa akwenya yeso edia I invite Ghana for free. A very big viewing of the El Clasico, Barcelona and Real Madrid, you know, Polo Court. Yami Adoma Sunday by 6 p.m. near started. You may be getting by 12. Until we free, it's a free pack. Until no, Mombrana NG and the game no. Obanso Anwasho Real Madrid and
Chief Executive Officer Dema River Sports Complex and as a River Sports Agency around the team and Frank Kwabena Owusu and our tenant can Yami Adoma Polo Koto and as I can see between Basso Barcelona versus Real Madrid. I can see no a crucial dicey Titanic crunchy encounter. Yami Adoma the live commentary no be few at the Aba Adom 106.3 from a Sempa 94.7 FM Tiwadama and now we share in Tempaso na Fiat Bumpuni Pu Elhono. The military Mr. Bokrano a Ghana Premier League Bakwe Kansas Simwenra Accra Lions and Kranjata Omni Deans Football Club in their case in a boss 90 minutes no na acquire 3-2 against Deans Football Club. Bonia Koma Shesena Omo Prapresiche Ekoye.
Pack the heads on down. Picked up by Kessie. Wonderful pass. Has latched on nicely. Opportunity coming for an inroad there for Accra Lions. Into the 18-yard box. This should be Samari's first. There's a block. Yeah, fans are already in the frenzy. They've started jubilating for the first goal. It's Samari. Easy as 1-2-3.
This is why he has won the Player of the Month for February. A little bit of the ball, just too much on the ball, and it would have been a perfect pass.
A late foul there. Couple of seconds shy of the 45th minute mark. Swung in there, chance for Dreams. They're back in it. And Michel Sarpong. Oh! Wonderful goal from the spot kick. Against all odds. Free kick. Swung in nicely. Oh, they're back in it. We are seeing some sublime skill from the free kicks, the set pieces here. Strong, steady performance by Accra Lions now, creating the spaces. Shot is fired on target. It's the third goal. Oh, this youngster is really writing his name in the books of gold, in the books of glory. And clearly, Accra Lions will carry the day. 3 points to the good. They still keep the pressure in the second position.
In Tienra, Accra Lions 3, Dreams Football Club 2. There's a battle between the thinker men, Ukupima Tanku Ibrahim, and Afin Sokrano, coach Karim Zito, and Omichron Bobresa, our class poster, and Najude Sum, and Asama Chit and Sabasa, Nipe Kupi Mono, na Hawkwe, Asanumenum. Ami adoma ko mon bebre na akachem du sia na madawase na match LP ba se no smam se 1xbet wo mo na teche Jeffas Mr ebo echidom na fe sedimo gel enroll wo mo so ekan ho ema yede enkomo na asoy na mbisi wa wokensim no etimisi ye medin e de Professor Ikiwala Sagudi catch back pe na of course evidence based presentation etimijawo ami adoma nya aka wachi ne do so ko so amafide no enda Adom TV Adom TV so be dwundwumedie so no package no eso part the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.